Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the opening of fob keys for access control. What we have in this box today allows us to use access control. For what reason? Well, we can control who comes in and out of the building. We have software, we can program keys and cards to a system and then allow the customers, the clients, all to swipe using a fob key on a card reader so they then can enter a building. We can now get into the box. This is what the box looks like. This was a delivery made today. It just has the logo of the company, TLJ Access Control, where we purchase our fob keys from. In fact, we have the whole system from their company to use for our company. So, I think it looks like there have been 3 boxes put together. So, that's one box, another box, and the last box, the third box. Move 2 to the side, get into one box. And so this is what we are dealing with. A fob key for access control. We can swipe on the card reader and this will allow us access into the building or a room if we have booked. I have to assume that there are 50 in one box as we did order 150. We don't need that, so this is 50. There will be another 15 here, and there will be another 15 here. And so, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial and next unboxing video. Thanks for now.